Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Hyundai Tucson and we're going to do the Chrome Delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material to showcase the difference with the gloss and the matte material. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the chrome panels. So just apply slip solution onto a clean microfiber towel and just make sure you remove any contaminants that the chrome panels might have. For this installation, we are going to start by aligning into this edge first. So make sure you're giving yourself the material to cover the chrome. And then from here, just use the bottom half of the chrome panel as a guide when you're aligning the film to the panel. And right here, just give yourself enough material to cover the chrome. So that should be good. And with your squeegee, start tacking down the film. And then with this one, you do have room to tuck in the film. So it'll be optional if you want to tuck in or trim off the excess material. So it'll be up to you for this installation. But if you do tuck in, make sure you're moving the rubber gasket to the side just a bit in order for you to have enough room to tuck in the material. And if you're trimming off, just make sure you're careful not to cut off the rubber. So just cut it off to the edge here. And make sure to trim off the side edge here as well. And once you're done tucking in or trimming off, just apply heat to help the film tack down and it won't lift over time. Okay, and you would just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did here for the rear door. So with this one, it is going to be a little tricky to install because of the two designs that the chrome has on the edge here. So start off by aligning it right on the edge here. Make sure you're giving yourself enough material to work with. So roughly around there. Lift the film and make sure you're aligning it and tacking it down. So it should be like this. And give yourself enough material to cover the chrome underneath too. We're going to squeegee the flat surface first, so just make sure you squeegee everything here. Any small fingers that might come up here on the flat surface, we can remove them with heat. So now we're going to work on these two sections first before we seal the middle. So for this part, we're going to apply heat. So apply heat to help the film start tacking down to the curve, but also making sure we're removing the air that's behind the film here. So just lift the film up to where the flat surface ends and then start applying heat from behind and start helping it tack down to the curve. And the reason we're doing it this way is because if we don't start from this side and we just start from the middle here, we are going to have air bubbles here. So we want to avoid that because it will be hard to remove the air bubbles once we seal. So we want to start from here first and work our way out so that way we don't have air bubbles right here in the middle. Take your time, lift the film. If you need to reheat so the film could mold back, you can. Just make sure not to stretch it. Let it cool off and then start tacking it down to the curve. You could also use your squeegee to help tack down on narrow areas. And you would do the same for this one here. So just lift the film and add heat and start tacking it down. So as you can see, once you work from this side and work your way outward, you should have no air here. So then make sure you take your time, squeegee out everything little by little, and the excess material that we have here we could just trim off. But make sure you just work your way in installing these sections here. No air bubbles and you should be good. Okay, once you're done with this section, you want to continue on and finish off the rest here. So it's just squeegeeing everything down and making sure we remove any fingers and tacking down everything that still needs to be tacked down. And then once you're done tacking down, the next thing is just trimming off any excess material. Okay, so once you're done with the installation and trimming off any excess material from all of the pieces, it's just post heating all around. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it sticks better to the panels. So just grab your heat gun and making sure you post heat all around. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the chrome deletes for the side doors for the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next one.